In this video, we'll go through 5 of the most powerful group policy settings you can apply on Windows 10 or 11 to make your system faster, cleaner, and fully under your control. Method 1. Let's start by improving performance and reducing background usage. Press Windows plus R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, App Privacy. Once you're there, find and double-click Let Windows Apps Run in the Background. We'll stop that completely. Select Enabled, and from the drop-down, choose Force Deny. Click Apply. Then OK. This single tweak blocks all apps from running background processes that waste CPU and battery life. Next, let's stop automatic maintenance from running when you're using your PC. Find Automatic Maintenance Activation Boundary, double-click it, set it to Enabled, and choose a time like 3 a.m. This ensures Windows performs disk cleanup, optimization, and indexing only at night, not while you're working. It's perfect for laptops or slower systems that get laggy during maintenance hours. Once done, click Apply, then OK. These two settings together will keep your PC focused on performance, not on background tasks you never asked for. Method 2. Let's make Windows private and give you full control over updates. Then click Apply and OK. This stops Windows from collecting and sending diagnostic or activity data to Microsoft servers. Not only does it boost privacy, but it also cuts down background data usage. Next, if this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more Windows optimization tips, and comment which tweak made the biggest difference for you.